Because the Chief Minister of Assam, they did not give us the full amount. They are receiving from central government. He only dividing the money. Suppose 1 crore, 50 lakh Assam will take, 50 lakh will get our BTC government. That's why we don't want such kind of like this development.
50 lakhs rest of Assam?
Yes.
50 lakhs BTS?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why we don't want that money because it's very less for development. We want directly central funding from the central government. We want the funding directly from the central government. That's why we are demanding now.
You want to your own government?
Yeah. We want one own government, land right,
Financial
right, and
police power.
Police power. We want that, everything.
We want everything. Still our dreams.
Yeah.
Not fulfillment.
Because our Boro is the most single largest tribe in India.
In Assam also.
What is situation of Ulfa?
Full power.
Ulfa.
Alpha.
We don't know that alpha. Their demand is different. Ours is different.
जोंनाबो freedom fighter दंमोन ना खोन्था.
Situation of Salfa?
Salpa now it is they are fighting for this one Kamatapur. They want Kamatapur.
Okay.
But we want BODOLAND. Until unless we will
In
fight.
our northeast, in our Assam, different kinds of languages, different kinds of
Tribes.
I know this.
That's why they all need different land.
So many types of
Yeah.
people you will get to see.
Yeah.
They are in Assam.
Why? Because the Assam government has only seen their own tribe, most probably.
He lives in surface area or
We are plain.
plain?
Yeah, we are STP.
Okay.
We are STP. Yeah. So we are demanding on our STP itself, in plain area itself.
We have fighting. We have been fighting for 34 years for the separate state of BODOLAND. But till now we are not getting. That's why we are again coming to
Yes.
movement here in India. In Delhi.
Because
Still we are not
at
satisfied.
present, our Boro people are also now, we have a right for everything and we have a capacity to lead our government itself.
We have
IAS
constitutional
officer,
rights.
We have SS officer, we have IPS officer now from our Boro. That's why we want to, our separate,
You are ST?
yeah.
Yes, we are ST.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
But Modi has given you state government of India?
Yeah, at present this
Yes,
one,
President?
Adivasi, from
Oh,
tribal itself.
yes.
Trupudi Murmu,
Yes.
President of India.
Yeah.
Then what problem have you?
No,
We have lots of problem.
even our is
They
different.
don't look us.
That president tribal is different, our tribal is different.
Okay.
There is lots of difference there. That now at present president their tribal is different than Adivasi, no?
Yes.
We are Boro.
But we are Boro tribal, no? We are Boro ST. They are Adivasi ST.
Yes, sir. If you want to know the meaning of Boro, then you can search in Google. Then you will get definitely. What is Boro?
Yeah.
Where they are coming from? Originally, we are coming from the China. Day by day, gradually, we have been evolution. Day by day. That's why. You just tell something else.
So that's why we are fighting for everything. Then we'll get freedom for everything, even in the educational process, even in the sports and all, even in the government job. So for that only now we are demanding our separate state. Like that. Because the government of Assam, they did not look us with good eyes, no? They are thinking like they are another people. They are from outside India. They are thinking
Yes.
like that. But we are also
citizen of India. We have rights. We have constitutional rights. Freedom of speech. Yes or no, sir? We have
Persons have come from Assam.
in this democratic country.
Yes.
more than 7,000 like that. 7,000, yeah.
Yes.
From all over India.
All over India, yeah. All over India. Our Boro people are living in the Nepali also, Bangladesh, and
Many different countries.
all the Northeast, 7 states, Nagaland, Dimapur, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal.
7 northern states.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why we have been called
Notice.
largest tribe, single largest tribe in India. We are the one. Because Boros are living in varieties of places. Even in Delhi, lots of people are settled here, doing job and all. Even in Bangalore, even in Hyderabad, even in Kerala. That's why, according to our Indian
Constitution.
we have been seen that single largest tribe in India. Our lots of population is there, no? Our poor people scattered all over India,
Scattering.
even outside the country. Some of our poor people are living in Australia also there,
America also. American also. Switzerland also.
even in Dubai.
Hong Kong, Singapore.
Yeah,
In Guwahati, Assam.
Assam. Yeah,
How far from Guwahati?
180 kilometers.
180
Yeah, from our
From Kokrajhar to Guwahati. Okay. Approximately 197 something 200. Not so much far.
Mostly I am living in Bongaigaon. You know the Bongaigaon, no?
Bongaigaon.
Yeah, I am living in Bongaigaon. From Bongaigaon to Guwahati, 180 kilometers. Yes.
The capital of BTC is Kokrajhar.
Yes.
Capital of BTC is Kokrajhar. We want self-government. Till now we are not getting. That's why we are fighting for it. We hope one day our dreams will come up. So we will never give up. We will continuously fighting for the separate statehood. What do you think? What do you will say?
Ask me.
What do you want to say
No, you ask me
about
the question.
about the separate state?
About his view, what do you want?
नोंखौ होनदों आं मा सोंनो मा बुंनो लुगैयो?
No, you ask me the question. I am
Okay.
saying
Now present time we are demanding for separate state.
Yeah.
About it, what you will say?
मनोज भाई चाय बनाया?
Yeah, through his view, I want to say that we want separate.
बेखौबो सों सारखौबो.
Why? Because if we get separate state, it will be satisfaction will be there for the Boro people. Because lots of development is needed still in Boro people, Boro area in Bodoland, like universities, colleges,
Oh,
some
yeah.
of the
इधर आइए थोड़ा.
offices, even the land right, even the
Please Soldi. उसको
money
थोड़ा.
power and police power. So if we get all
यहीं
everything,
से कर देगा ना उसको मोबाइल दे दो यहीं से कर देगा अच्छा रहेगा
because still lots of qualified people, qualified persons from Borolands are still unemployed. Thousand girls and boys are still unemployed in Boroland.
थैबाय रोजा रोजा.
And-
We have died more than
And lots of-
5,000
Lots
We
of
have died.
freedom fighters have died.
freedom fighters have been died.
Life for the Boroland. Still, thousands of fighters are still in the jail.
Please
So
come,
for that we have a sentiment. That's why we are demanding still the Assam to be divided 50-50. That's why we came yesterday here for Dharna, and all the police, Delhi police have arrested us and they are keeping us 4 hours in
2 minutes, clickers.
jail.
I will sit here.
Monday
Nestle.
police station is there, no? We have been arrested there for 4 hours yesterday.
Mandir police station.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. They have arrested us.
मंदिर बार पुलिस
Yeah.
And they also physically assaulted us
Yes.
here from the gentleman.
They brought us.
They brought five city bus.
So that's why we are doing that Dharna. We'll continually will do that. Even if they want to beat us, even they want to kill us, we'll not stop that Dharna.
We are no right to die until unless
As long as we'll be staying in this world, we'll do continually that Dharna. We'll never stop that.
you know it is
And suppose after hearing our Boroland problems, so what do you want to say to us?
Uncle,
Give us some advice. What do you do? What do we have to do? So what do you think about our
What do you want to show? What do you want to say about the Boroland?
Yeah.
You want to separate state?
I know nothing about this.
Okay, all right, no problem. We are just asking,
I know
sir.
nothing about this. But I know government has given lot of facilities in Boroland.
Yes.
I know this. And deputy is also running
Actually, from our side, we are not complaining central government.
That's why we are
Central
coming here.
government Central government has given us everything, but our state government is hiding all the development.
That's not doing anything else.
They are not giving. They are doing as they like.
Day by day they are exploiting us,
Yeah.
dominating us. We don't want dominated by others. We want freedom. We have rights. We have fundamental rights.
Yeah.
That's why we are fighting
complained
for
to
the
the
separate
state
state.
Yeah. We
We are
submit
just
our
coming to
memorandum
fighting
yesterday.
with the central government because we have bird rights. So many we have rights in Indian constitution, in democracy country. But they are suppressing us day by day. But I think they don't why they are suppressing us day by day. But we really don't like it. We want peace and harmony.
We don't want to
in our
stay
BTC.
others under, no? We want to stay peacefully by ourselves. We want freedom.
You want to stay under other people's, sir? I'm hoping that's why my voice is not good. From the last 2 days ago, I have been suffering from the cough. I drank yesterday cough syrup. Then also I'm feeling not well. I have to take medicine.
Lots of problem yesterday, even though we got chance to submit our memorandum to President.
President of India,
Yeah.
Draupadi Murmu.
They have received our, yeah.
newly elected President Draupadi Murmu. She is from Jharkhand, na?
Yes.
She will think about this.
Yes.
Already we have done the
Before,
memorandum.
because our Bodoland people fighting is not, it is 2-3 years.
Already-
Since
35.
50 years, we have been fighting that.
We have,
already you have given your memorandum. Our
Yes.
honorable President.
yes, we have given already.
She will think about it.
Our demand is all demand. We have been fighting for 35 years now. We have born freedom fighters. In battleground, they died. Lots of people died, have been died for the separate state, for the creation of BODOLAND. More than 5,000 people has been died for the creation of separate state in BODOLAND. Lots of mothers, fathers, brother and sister killed by the
And some are still in the jail. They are living in the jail.
army, political, police, they kill us.
So last 2020, we got 1 accord. It is bitter.
2003.
According to the accord, all the fighters should be free from jail, no? But they are still in the jail only. Why? What should be like this?
The government has said that this is the peace accord, but we cannot say this is peace accord. They are saying every day, this is peace accord, peace accord. Actually, what do you mean peace accord?
This accord means we have to get all surrounding development and we have to give freedom.
Still in
You
the
know, living
jail.
life.
Still in the jail. Founder of the InDelhi, Sir Ranjan Dimari is still in the jail.
Yes, yes, I know.
You know Ranjan Dimari. He's one of the most senior leader of the Bodo people. He also founder of the InDelhi.
So our main motto is we are giving Dharna for separate state and we did peacefully, we want to stay peacefully.
Do you want peace and harmony?
And they have to release from jail all the Bodoland fighters. Then only will be satisfied.
5 districts in BODOLAND.
Yeah.
After PTR court, there are only 4 states. Sorry, 4 districts. Now 1 district has extension. After PTR court, totally now 5 districts.
And our original demand memorandum is from Songkos to
Sodia.
Because majority Bodo people are living in that area. That's why.
Anyway, sir, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir. One day we will meet again, okay? Whenever we will come in Delhi, then we will talk.
Okay, okay.
Don't worry.
In this place we will meet.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Don't worry. Thank you so
My
much.
shop.
Yeah.
In this
Whenever we come into this, Delhi will stay here only.
Pure guest house.
That hotel modern palace is your own hotel or what? This one?
This is
Yes,
your
yes.
own
Your
hotel.
own hotel. Then we have to stay here.
Then we
only.
can stay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Later we'll come and stay here.
If next will come in Delhi,
Yes, yes,
then
please,
definitely we
Yeah,
can
and
stay.
we'll talk to you.
Yeah,
Come
definitely.
here.
We will discuss
Yeah.
about what's going on in India.
Because every after 6 months we'll come for Dharna here. Jantar Mantar.
They get the quota from the gentleman too.
Yeah.
But no one can suppress us because we are the citizenship of India. We have rights now. That's why we are saying we are demanding. There is no problem. Thank you, sir.